Ate Coco's birthday, and everybody in our whole family are coming, and not the Sabangan family. But I'm here, and my lolo, I met my lola, and my yung parang, pero yung daddy ko na mahilig ng pingot and ng hanger. Also yung mami. Tingnan mo. May-report ko na siya ng pulis. Good morning, mga ngipin.
Nakasave ba yan? Nakasave ko ba yan, Maya?
Yeah. Good morning,
Good morning, good evening na.
Good evening.
This paper.
Day?
Color.
Oh, beautiful. Mami, also ako kasama. Also guys, ito yung chips nila pag may yung birthday. Ito yung birthday. Ayan yung birthday pag my birthday, and we have 100 of seats. Tingnan mo. Ang dami. Ang dami. Also, madami dito. Madami.
Waiting for the
We're waiting for the birthday girl. Also, si Kuya Lucas, ayun yung brother ni Ate Coco, which is I don't know. Ate Coco sana. Also, yung daddy ko, mahilig ng hanger and magpingos sa ayun. Also, pag makulit ako, he was trying to say, remove yung mga ngipin ko, sabi ko, yung mga ngipin ko okay na. Look at my, okay. Ito yung mga, ito yung mga, Tate, bakit yung mga naka-base? Okay. Na ito yung mga menu nila. Ito yung menu. Also, ayan yung kitchen. Also, meron ditong ito, yung tate. Ito yung mga storage room nila. Also, ito. Oh, no, vlog.